Hello from Gdynia and Plaża Miejska, this super popular beach that is most central in Gdynia, and it is super full on this sunny Sunday 11th of August 2024. As I was exploring first the city of Gdynia, there weren't that many people around the city, but on the beach it is full because it is obviously Sunday, and Gdynia is also fairly close to Gdansk, where I'm staying actually. So I just took the train from Gdansk to Gdynia, and it takes around 25 minutes, and I'm gonna be exploring the beaches. So there is obviously, Gdynia is a port city, and this is the closest beach to the center. It's quite broad, actually wide, but not that long compared to the beaches in Gdansk and Sopot. And Gdansk, Gdynia and Sopot are part of the Trinity, as they call it, a Trojstwo, here belonging to the same region. So yes, beach adventures with Chris. We are in Poland, and yesterday I was exploring Gdansk and Stogi beach there. Today is Gdynia on the agenda, and I'm planning to go now to a more further beach here, Rewa, with a bus, because it's 16 kilometers, and probably walk on the way back. Let's see how the time is going to be, if we're gonna have sunshine or not. But yes, it is 21 degrees Celsius currently, both in the air and in the Baltic Sea. And let's then start continue the day with the first beach adventures for today. And let's take a swim here at Miejska Plaża. Miejska beach in Gdynia. Amazing indeed. It's so beautiful to explore beaches around the world, and now I'm actually in Poland. So yes, I'm not really sure how many population Gdynia has, but it is not as big as Gdansk. So, and the beach is super sandy because it is the same beach type as in Gdansk and in Sopot. So yes, now let's continue the wonderful day, 11th of August 2024. Currently it is 1 p.m. over here, and yes, I'm going to explore now a few more beaches in the Gdynia area, and tomorrow on the agenda is Sopot, as I have 3 days and I need to visit all of the 3 cities here in the Gdansk, Sopot and Gdynia area. So with that being said, and with this view from Miejska beach, I am saying goodbye for now, and thank you so much for watching this episode with me from this super crowded beach on a Sunday, 11th of August. And let me know in the comments if you have ever been to Gdynia or in Poland in general. So thank you so much, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.